Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into a fascinating topic, csmwrap. Have you heard of it?
Absolutely. csmwrap is a clever solution for systems that only support UEFI. It brings back the classic BIOS experience.
That sounds intriguing. So what exactly does csmwrap do?
It utilizes the Compatibility Support Module, or CSM, to emulate legacy BIOS environments. This allows older operating systems to boot.
Interesting. Which systems can it currently boot?
Right now, it can boot FreeDOS, Windows XP, and Windows 7 within QEMU, and even on some real hardware.
Wow, that's impressive. How does csmwrap manage this?
It unlocks the legacy BIOS memory range, loads the cBIOS CSM module, and configures memory for legacy applications.
So, the technical workings can get pretty complex. Can you simplify it for our listeners?
Sure. Basically, it sets up a virtual environment where older systems think they're running on BIOS.
That makes sense. What about limitations? I've heard there are some challenges.
Yes, for instance, you'll need to disable above 4G decoding in your BIOS, as legacy BIOS can only access up to 4G.
Got it. And what happens if someone's system doesn't support certain protocols?
Good question. If the EFI Legacy Region 2 protocol isn't available, csmwrap tries to use PAM registers for accessing memory.
So there's a bit of uncertainty there. Are there any known issues users should be aware of?
Yes, when using Windows XP or 7, the video mode setting can be problematic, leading to flickering or black screens.
That sounds frustrating. Is there a workaround?
Sometimes, injecting the right GPU driver into the OS image can help avoid those Visa BIOS issues.
Thanks for sharing that. What resources would you recommend for listeners interested in csmwrap?
Check out cBIOS for the CSM module and UEFI for helpful runtime and resources.
Great tips. To wrap up, what do you think is the main takeaway for our listeners today?
csmwrap is a bridge that allows modern hardware to take a step back into legacy functionality.
That's a powerful reminder of how tech evolves. Thanks for a fantastic discussion today.
Thank you for having me. It was great to share.